Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to track conversion goals on SiteGround. So before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan, and if you want to buy to premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. So after creating your account, you will sign in. So to use the statistics to your best advantage and get meaningful insights from them, and it is vital that you track the performance of your campaigns separately. You can draw that detail into from the conversion report. So the analysis periods are monthly, and the information is updated with the frequency much higher than that of Google Analytics, which can take up to 24 hours to consolidate, and it's a data you can that see on this chart. And for the next step is to track your campaigning, and here you will see campaigning tracking. Monitor the performance of a single campaign. You can analyze how your campaign performed over time. Choose the time and which you want to. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.